Hello, this is the free merchandise lady. I found a great way for you to earn Bitcoins. That's why my title is How to Get Free Bitcoins. Look at this. You can do videos, surveys, just different tasks, and earn Bitcoins. The link is below. Get started. Wonderful. Look at this. You can earn points. Look at that. Earn points. Complete surveys, play games, watch videos. And what? And earn those Bitcoins. That's right. Earn those Bitcoins. Look at this. This is a great way. I had to share this with you because a lot of people are looking for the ways to get Bitcoins without getting that money out of your pocket. You could get it this way. And thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I see you next time.